Let's go!
Hello guys, today we are learning about how to create your canvas attractive and more creative. First of all, we have to select gradient and we select the whole area of canvas, and we can select different shapes, different color, different patterns here, and there we go. So as we look how looking at this our canvas, so here are the shapes, and we can make it more creative, and we can change the style of this thing, and we have to select more here. So we have to change the style of this pattern. So as you can see how beautiful looking